Alright, here's the update on my bike check. Anyways, I have 2 new parts on it, and here's one of them. I have a white half-track mechanic chain. There. I had trouble putting it on because it kept on making sounds and crap like that. So what I did, the pin you press in, which is right here, to get it on, you push that back and forth whenever you get it on. And don't tighten your chain up all the way. And make sure your chain is on right. If it's on backwards, it'll make a lot of noises. But mine still makes noise, but not as bad. You can mostly hear the hub, but it's the chain too also. And the other part is Shadow Conspiracy Clear grips, fangless with stock bar ends. Fit. And there's my update on my bike check. Looks pretty cool.